We can tell how much energy a certain liquid has gained or lost using Q is equal to ms delta T, where Q is the heat energy lost or gained, and S is the specific heat, and M is the mass of it, and delta T is the temperature change. Now, let's see how we can do this for a solid, which in our case is some lead. Before we start out the experiment, we need to take the readings first. Measure the mass of the calorimeter as M1. Then pour some water in the calorimeter. This mass will be M2. So, the mass of just the water would be M2 minus M1. Then, take the temperature of the water in the calorimeter. Do this after a while so that the calorimeter and the water come to the same temperature. This is T1. Then, we take our metal, which are some lead shots, and we put them in some other water and heat the water and the lead to 100 degrees centigrade. This would be our T2. Now, the next step has to be done quickly so that we don't lose any heat. We take the hot lead and put them in a calorimeter. This lead now starts giving out the heat energy to the water and the calorimeter till they reach an equal temperature. This is T3. We now take the mass of the calorimeter with the water and the lead in it. This would be M3. So the mass of just the lead would be M3 minus M2. Finally, the specific heats of water, calorimeter and the lead would be SW, SC and SL. And the heat that the lead gave off will be equal to the heat gained by the calorimeter plus the heat gained by the water. Meaning, M3 minus M2 into SL into T2 minus T3 will be equal to M1 into SC into T3 minus T1 plus M2 minus M1 into SW into T3 minus T1. Now this is the mass of the solid, this is the temperature of the solid, this is the mass of the calorimeter, this is the temperature gained by the calorimeter, and this is the mass of the water and the temperature gained by the water. So finally, we can get the specific heat of lead as. So what have we learned in this video? We have seen how to find the specific heat of solids using an experiment. So until next time, happy learning!